Do you know how to say mom or dad in French? Or maybe brother or sister? Let's learn family members in French today. It's super easy and fun for beginners. Ready? Let's go! Welcome to French Toast Academy. Today we're learning family members in French. First, let's start with the basics. Mom is la mère. Repeat after me. La mère. Dad is le père. Say le père. Brother is le frère. Repeat after me. Le frère. Sister is la sœur. Repeat after me. La sœur. Awesome! Now let's learn more family members. Grandmother is la grand-mère. Repeat after me. La grand-mère. Grandfather is le grand-père. Say le grand-père. Son is le fils. Repeat after me. Le fils. Daughter is la fille. Repeat after me. La fille. Let's use them in sentences. For example, j'ai une mère et un père. That means I have a mom and a dad. Repeat after me. J'ai une mère et un père. Another one. Mon frère et ma sœur sont sympas. That means my brother and sister are nice. Repeat after me. Mon frère et ma sœur sont sympas. Now let's practice. I will say a family member in English and you say it in French. Ready? Mom. It's la mère. Dad. It's le père. Sister. It's la sœur. Son. It's le fils. Now, a mini game. I'll describe someone and you guess who it is. First, she's my mom's mom. Who is she? La grand-mère. Next, he's my dad's dad. Who is he? Le grand-père. Last one. She's my sister's daughter. Who is she? La fille. You're a French family pro now. Great job! You learned so many family words today. La mère, le père, la grand-mère, and more. Practice saying j'ai une mère et un père. Now, here is a question. Who is your favorite family member? Comment their French name below, like ma sœur or mon père. To help you memorize, let's end with a fun jazz song in French and English. Sing along to Family in French and enjoy.
La mère c'est maman, oh so dear. Le père c'est dad, always near. La sœur, that's sister, she's so sweet. Le frère, that's brother, can't be beat. Family, family, let's sing today. French and English, hip hip hooray. Say it loud, say it clear. Family in French, we've got no fear. La grand-mère, grandma full of love. Le grand-père, grandpa from above. Le fils, that's son, he's so fun. La fille, that's daughter like the sun. Family, family, let's sing today. French and English, hip hip hooray. Say it loud, say it clear. Family in French, we've got no fear. Now you know, now you're wise. Family in French, what a prize. Sing with me one more time. Famille, family, oh so fine.